Hello, and welcome to Frequently Asked Questions here at Quality Material Handling. My name is Ben Cisneros, and I'm the sales manager here. Today we're going to talk about what is my commodity. Customers often ask us this question because it's very important when we're dealing with a high pile storage permit. The commodity details a lot of information in order for us to determine how to store your material properly. So when we look at that, there's typically going to be 4 classes and then the high hazard classes that we're going to have to look at. The classes are listed as 1 through 4 in order to kind of deal with the ordinary material that might be in your warehouse, and then the high hazards are the kind of extraordinary situation where you're doing something with a lot more flammable. Class 1 commodities, for example, are metal, ceramics, things that are basically non-combustible. Working our way up, Class 2 is simply a Class 1 commodity with packaging around it. So even if you just have metal, sometimes if your packaging is on it, that can increase your class. Class 3 is your normal wood products and cardboard. This is kind of going to be in a lot of warehouses that you see. It also kind of comes into play when you're dealing with the Class 2 commodities. The Class 4 is going to be most of your Class 3 commodities mixing with Group A plastics. And now you might ask, what are Group A plastics? Well, those are actually going to be high hazard commodities. High hazard commodities are going to be things that are going to be outside of those ordinary material. Plastics, polys, sometimes we're going to have to deal with extraordinary such as flammable liquids. There's a lot of other things outside of ordinary material that can come into play. Here at Quality Material Handling, we help you to identify these items and classify them properly, so when we design your high pile analysis and your storage system, we have that in mind and can protect you properly. Again, this was Ben here at Quality Material Handling, here to answer your frequently asked questions.